It's easy to share your program's photos with the right audience on the posting board. Let's explore how to make it happen. Start by visiting thepostingboard.com and clicking Login at the top right. Select the Member Login tab. Then, enter your email address and password. From your members' dashboard, scroll down to the Photo section. Click Photos. Then select New Photos to begin uploading files. Next, create an album name. Remember, this is the first thing people see. It's how you catch the attention and set the tone for your visitors. Don't forget to add smart tags. These are keywords that make your albums easier to find and help connect you with those visiting your profile. When creating a photo album, whether it's for your facility, staff, community events, or special moments, use the description box to share the story behind the collection. Describe what your photos represent and what makes your program, team, or community unique. Keep it simple and genuine so viewers feel connected. When everything looks right, click Save and add photos. Next, choose one or more photos to upload to your dashboard, then click here to confirm photo upload. Add your photo title here, limit it to 100 characters. Use the description box to share what's happening in each photo. Write a short, clear paragraph so it's easy and quick to read. When everything looks right, click Save, and just like that, your presence becomes part of our community connection. If you need to move photos to a different album, click here, and you can change the order of your photos in the album by clicking here. If change your mind and want to remove a photo, simply hit Delete. Now that you know how to upload your photos, get posting. Thepostingboard.com. We are more than a directory. We're treatment's one-stop resource site.